Assalamu alaikum to you all. Now we will understand the process of ketogenesis. Ketogenesis is the biosynthesis of ketone bodies. It occurs in the mitochondria of hepatocytes. Ketogenesis happens due to the starvation and in diabetes mellitus when the body has excess of acetyl-CoA from beta oxidation of fatty acids. Beta oxidation generates excess of required energy which is obtained from TCA cycle. If the acetyl-CoA is converted to ketone bodies, this process is called ketogenesis. There are three types of ketone bodies. Number 1, acetoacetate. Number 2, beta hydroxyl butyrate. And number 3, acetone. Mechanism of ketogenesis and biosynthesis of ketone bodies. When two molecules of acetyl-CoA react together in the presence of enzyme acetoacetyl-CoA thiolase, so the coenzyme A is released from this reaction and acetoacetyl-CoA is formed. Then acetoacetyl-CoA reacts with another molecule of acetyl-CoA in the presence of enzyme HMG-CoA synthetase. So 3-methyl-3-hydroxyl-butyryl-CoA is formed, which is also called HMG-CoA. HMG-CoA is an intermediate of cholesterol synthesis, so it can enter in the biosynthesis of cholesterol. But in the presence of enzyme HMG-CoA lyase, it lysed or break down into acetyl-CoA and acetoacetate. Acetoacetate is a ketone body that may undergo in the spontaneous degradation to form acetone and acetone exhaled from lungs, or acetoacetate can be converted into beta hydroxybutyrate in the presence of enzyme beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase by the dehydrogenation of NADH plus H plus ion into NAD. Beta hydroxybutyrate is also a ketone body like acetoacetate and acetone. Now the mechanism of ketogenesis is completed because all the ketone bodies are formed. Let's understand the utilization of ketone bodies. Liver has enzyme to synthesize ketone bodies, but it doesn't have enzyme to utilize it. So the utilization of ketone bodies are extrahepatic, proceeding into brain and skeletal muscles. There is a bloodstream barrier. It's a model to understand the pathway of utilization of ketone bodies. Fatty acid by the beta oxidation oxidized into acetyl-CoA. Then acetyl-CoA is converted into acetoacetyl-CoA that further change into acetoacetate in ketogenesis. Then acetoacetate passes from bloodstream into extrahepatic muscles. In bloodstream, it may undergo in spontaneous degradation to form acetone, then acetone exhaled from lungs. Acetoacetate can also be converted into beta hydroxybutyrate in hepatocyte, then beta hydroxybutyrate enter in the extrahepatic muscle. Inside the extrahepatic muscles, utilization of both ketone bodies, beta hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate, will be started. Beta hydroxybutyrate reconvert into acetoacetate by the reduction of NAD into NADH plus H plus ion. Acetoacetate reacts with succinyl-CoA to form acetoacetyl-CoA and succinate. Then acetoacetyl-CoA is converted into acetyl-CoA and succinate is converted into oxaloacetate. Acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate both are the intermediates of TCA cycle. So they entered in TCA cycle to run it. So this is the complete utilization of ketone bodies. I hope you have learned the concept of this video about ketogenesis and its utilization. So thanks for watching. Best of luck. Till then, Allah Hafiz. We will meet soon in the incoming videos.